So guys, ito yung breakfast natin today. Egg saka avocado. So yung ice ko na mamaga. Meron siyang ano. Para siyang sour ice. Ayan. Ito mga dip. So ayan, ito yung diet breakfast natin. So ayan tayo guys. Beans like that. They allow you to eat like beans. No, it's beans. This one is beans. It's beans. I put coconut oil. I cook it together. Then I put fish fillet inside. Beans is okay for you as well.